Have you ever experienced any of these reoccurring scenarios? They're called the triple A's: acne, allergies, and you guessed it, the Ashies. So let's take a journey to a place where your skin is nourished by nature. To a place where you can do less of this and more of that. Come join the creator of Allergies Naturals, Talisha Lynn, as she explores the pros and cons of choosing natural skincare options over some very popular brands. Let's examine the key differences between both skincare options, and you decide which is better for the environment, our loved ones, animal life, and for our well-being. Grab hold of Talisha's toxicity reduction techniques, such as DIY experiments, how-to videos, tips, tricks, and more. Subscribe to begin your natural skincare journey today.